Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everything is fine. So, ready with the new session children? After your Essay 1 exam. Children, I would request you all to first sing a song with me. Shall we start? Come on, sing. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 11, 12, dig and dwell. 13, 14, let's go boating. 15, 16, boats are between. 17, 18, my friends are waiting. 19, 20, boat is empty. Yes, I hope everyone said the poem. Now, look at this. What is this, children? It's a polar bear. What is the name of this animal? Polar bear. Oh, here comes lotus. What is the name of the flower? Lotus. Now, yes, did you like it? Which is this cartoon character? Mickey Mouse. Oh, everyone loves to eat. What is this? It is an ice cream. Yes, everyone likes to eat ice cream. Just like them, children, every one of us have name in this world. We all have got our names. Similarly, children, number names. Every number has its own name. Now, what do you mean by number name? In maths, it is the method of representing numbers in words. That is, numbers have names in words. Number 1 has the name ONE1. Number 2 has the name TWO2. Similarly, 5 is represented as FIVE5. Understood? It should be easy for you all because already we have learned number names. Yes, children. So today in Active English, chapter number 19, we are going to learn once again number names. Now children, look up. On top, options are being given. Can you guess what is the picture about? Yes, it's a duck. How many duck, children? Yes, how many duck? 1 duck. Now children, look at the next picture. There are how many ducks? 2 ducks. So, we are going to write in front of that 2 ducks. In front of 1 duck, we are going to write 2 ducks. You all have to count and write the spellings. Now, look here, children. What is this picture about? Ships. 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 How many ships? Yes, there are 3 ships. Now, children, let us move to next picture. There are so many plates kept. Now children, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many plates? 4 plates. Children, I am not going to point out today because I know my children know to count and write the spelling as well. 4 plates. Let us move forward. Now look here children. What is this? Yes, dogs. How many? How many? How many animals are standing, sitting? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 animals. F-I-V-E 5. 5 animals. Now children, let us go for the next picture. What are these? Yes, baskets. B-A-S-K-E-T-S. Baskets. Please count the baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 baskets. Let us write 6 baskets. Isn't it correct? And the spelling of 6 is S-I-X, 6. Oh, here comes pots. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now children, P-O-T-S, pots. You are going to write how many pots? 7 pots. We counted there are 7 pots. Now let us move towards next picture. What are these? These are birds. Say the spelling. B-I-R-D-S, birds. Children, shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many birds? There are 8 birds. Say the spelling of 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8 birds. Oh, I see. These are keys. Now, write the spelling. K-E-Y-S, keys. Children, count the keys. Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are how many keys? 9 keys. And what is the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E, 9. Now, the next picture is, yes, so many books. Count the books. 1, counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many books? Yes, children. There are 10 books. And the spelling of 10 is T-E-N, 10. Let us move further. Now see, these are sticks. How many sticks? Come on, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many matchsticks? 11. Children, options are given on top. You have to see the spelling. Will you really see the spelling? Now you know the spellings, children. So, you are going to write. Yes, how many matches? How many? 11 matches. Yes, matchsticks are 11. And the spelling is ELEVEN, 11. Now, look at the next picture. What are these? These are spoons. Count the spoons, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, children, there are 12 spoons. So, the spelling of spoons and 12 is TWELVE, 12, SPOONS, spoons, 12 spoons. Now, children, yes, children, teacher will not write. You have to think and yes, write. Now, children, what are these? These are bells. Now, can you count along with me? 1, yes, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many bells? There are 13 bells. And say the spelling. THIRTEEN, 13. Bells. Now, look at the next picture. Oh, I see. These are buttons. Where do you see buttons? On the shirt. Now, children, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are how many buttons in all? 14 buttons. And the spelling of 14 is FOURTEEN, 14. Buttons. BUTTONS, buttons. 14 buttons. Now look at the next picture. What are these? You all like to play with it? Yes, there are so many balls. Please count the balls, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many balls? There are 15 balls. FIFTEEN, 15. BALLS, 15 balls. Now, children, let us go on the next picture. Apples. Do you all like to eat apples? Yes, I hope. Let us count apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 apples. Yes. Say the spelling of 16 now. SIXTEEN, 16. APPLES, apples. There are 16 apples. Now, children, let us go on the next. What are these, children? Guess. Oranges. Again, oranges. You all like to eat. Children, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many oranges in all? Yes. 17 oranges. SEVENTEEN 17 oranges. Now, oh, so your mouth started watering looking at those pictures. Same here, children. What are those? Sweets. How many sweets? Now you all count and say, I won't. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 sweets. Say the spelling of 18. EIGHTEEN. 18. 18 sweets. 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 There are 18 sweets. Now we have, yes, correct. These are eggs. Let us count the eggs again, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many children? 19 eggs. What is the spelling of 19? NINETEEN. 19. XEGGS. Eggs. Every day do you have egg? These are ticks. Ticks means you have to correct. You have to tick in front of the correct answer. That is the tick. Now let us count the ticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many ticks are there in all, children? 20 ticks. And what is the spelling of 20? TWENTY. 20. Ticks. 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 There are 20 ticks. Children, this was about number names. We revised once again number names. I hope every one of you know it is easy for you all, children. Now, children, it's time to go now. But before going, I would in fact request you all to play a puzzle with your mama or papa. Puzzle in the sense you have to make number cards. Along with the number cards, you are going to play with your mummy and papa. Yes, one number, 5 number, the words will be jumbled together and you have to bring the number and the words together. 1, O-N-E, 1. And then for number 5, F-I-V-E, 5. Will you try this? Till then, bye-bye children. Thank you.